A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a warm welcome on board this British Airways flight to Aberdeen. This is the code share flight with our One World Alliance partners. To help us get you away on time, please ensure that your hand baggage is safely put away. Smaller bags tagged with the yellow label must be put under the seat in front of you, and all large items facing the overhead lockers. If you are sitting in a front row seat or in an emergency exit row, the floor area must be completely clear for takeoff. Once your hand baggage is safely stowed, please make yourselves comfortable and keep the aisle clear for all remaining customers to board. Thank you. We are pleased to let you know that portable electronic devices may be used during the flight as long as they are in flight safe mode. You may use handheld devices such as mobile phones, tablets and e-readers during takeoff and landing. You may also use personal headphones at these times. Larger items, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed away safely. If you have any questions, please ask a member of your cabin crew. Thank you.
Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board from the Friday. My name is David Edlington. My colleague Senior First Officer Tom Ravenscroft, a great team in the cabin, led by our cabin manager front end Claire and Bardwell, and she's very ably assisted by Ken, Annabelle and Amy. We appreciate this, I appreciate this flight is running behind the schedule. I'm afraid there's been a fair bit of weather around, lots of disruption, but we are moving forward as quickly as we can. Hopefully in the next 5 to 10 minutes or so we'll be off the stand. 10 minutes taxi when we depart to the west, right hand turn through the middle of the country, and it's an hour and 5 minutes. Plenty of weather on the way, we'll dodge around it. If we do put the seatbelt signs on or leave them on after departure for a little while, please do stay in your seats, return to your seats. We won't do that unnecessarily, so that'll be the reason for that. Weather in Aberdeen looks fine for our arrival. I think we'll probably end up being about 30-40 minutes late into Aberdeen, something like that would be my guess. There's a little problem with the electrical generation on the aircraft on the ground. We might need to flip over to a different system. If that happens, there's a chance that the lights will go out briefly, but that'll be why. Once the engines are running, it's no problem. Just it's back to normal, but I'm just liaising with the ground team to see how we're going to manage that. This bridge show is operated Airbus A319. Captain going to give you a station demonstration. I'll certainly keep you updated. Thanks very much. Cabin crew doors to automatic and cross check, please.
Gentlemen, we are now going to brief you on the safety procedures of this aircraft. We ask that you remove your personal headphones until the end of the briefing. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed away safely. During the flight, electronic devices must be disconnected from the seat power when not in use. Finally, please ensure that your window blinds are in the open position for takeoff, and as a reminder, smoking is not permitted at any time whilst on board. Thank you. gentlemen, welcome to Aberdeen. The time here is just approaching 8:30 in the evening. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seat, take care when opening the overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure that you have all your personal belongings with you and remember that smoking is not allowed until you've reached the designated area. All of us here at British Airways and the One World Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live here in Aberdeen and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you're travelling on further, we wish you a safe onward journey. It's been our pleasure to serve you and we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Once again, thank you and have a very good evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, First Officer Tom speaking. As David explained earlier, just trying to get this electrical issue sorted out, get some ground power plugged into the aircraft before we shut down the other engine, so that it doesn't all go dark in the cabin. Please follow the warnings, please do remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until such time as your seatbelt signs off. Thank you.
Ladies and welcome to Aberdeen. Thanks for your patience there. Just nice to have the lights on, really. It keeps all the systems running, so that's good. There's a chance it could fall out the aircraft. That does happen from time to time. If that happens, the connector falls out, so then it will be a bit dark. But probably won't. It's actually alright here now. The weather's gone through a little bit breezy, but 15 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Celsius outside. Sorry about the delay. On behalf of myself and Tom and Clement and team, as I say, welcome to Aberdeen. Enjoy your evening, or welcome home. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Bye. Bye.